Good morning. Brandon here from Beast Mode Trading. As usual, I like to post a daily recap of how System 1 played out for the week, not only to show you and instill confidence inside you, but also to fulfill confidence in your belief system. Your BS, not bull crap belief system, makes an individual better as a person and a trader, and that's my philosophy behind that. So I like to recap and see if there's anything that I could have done differently on how the week played out. Just to go back and recap, not only for me, make myself better as for the Beast Mode team, and to instill confidence in their belief system as well. Real quick rundown: we got a momentum shift to the downside. We take our first red arrow, and when we get momentum shift to the upside right here, we take our first blue arrow. And if the line matches the color, our custom algorithm, we have about an 80% winning rate for a risk to reward of basically 1-to-1. So let's dive in. November 9th, 2020. I'll go through this pretty quick. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Like I said, just meant to do a overview of the previous week. And we look forward to doing the same exact thing next week. And the good thing about our system is we don't have to mark up charts. We don't have to worry about all the news that we cannot predict. We just come in and we trade our signals as they present themselves, as price actually gives us setups. And we look for those two to three winning trades a day, and we get to go walk away. We shoot the trade from 9:30 to 12, and we are done. So we work part-time hours to get full-time income. All right, let's dive in. So momentum shift to the downside. We take our put entry here, stop outs right here. There's the body and the wick. There's a zone there. So if it breaks this zone to the upside, I would not like to be in it, because then if it breaks it to the upside, my thinking is that it's going to keep on going in that favor. So we take puts here, stop outs right there, previous structure high in this case. If we're looking to go long, we would use previous structure to the low side. We take entry here, stop outs there, goes on and hits our 1-to-1 down there, 1-0 for the week. And we don't get another signal till after 12. So we'll fast forward to Tuesday. We're 1-0 on the week. We are trending up. We don't get nothing. We get a down arrow. Puts, we get a momentum shift to the downside. We take puts here, stop outs there. Comes very close to our 1-to-1. Within a couple hairs, there's another winner. 2-0 won the week right now. Then we wait for a momentum shift to the upside. We get our first blue arrow, stop outs right here. Again, there's a zone right there in my head. So if it breaks this or closes below that, I'm cutting it. Hits our 1-to-1. We are 2-0 with this. We're now 3-0. And then we get a momentum shift to the downside. We take a put trade right here. Previous structure high. And guess what? This candle violated it. So we're now 3 winners and 1 loser. Still green on the week. And that's just part of following the plan. Let's go to the next signal. We're 3-1. We get a momentum shift to the upside. We take calls here. Here's our stop out. Hit our target, 1-to-1. We are 4-1. And 12 o'clock, we don't get any other signal. So we're 4-1 right now for the week, sitting in profits. It is that easy. Trading is easy when you have a plan. 4-1 on the week. Now we take puts here, stop outs here. We get our 1-to-1. This trade actually gave us a grand slam. I think a lot of us got 50, 60, 70 cents on the option side in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Hit our 1-to-1. We initiate a trail stop, and we ended up selling out way down there. This trade gave us like a 1-to-2 or 1 and a 2.5 as far as risk to reward. It was a great trade. So we were 4-1. We're 5-1 right now. Then we take calls right here. Goes on to be a winner. We're 6-1. And 12 o'clock comes, and we don't get anything else. So let's fast forward to the next day. We're 6 winners, 1 loser for the week. And then brings us into Thursday, 6-1. We take calls right here. Stop outs down there. Hits our target. We're 6-1. We're now 7-1. We get a momentum shift to the downside. We don't get nothing. No red arrow. We're 7-1 still. We get a call trade right here. There's our stop out, previous structure. We're 7-1 with this winner. We're 8-1 right now. And then we get a momentum shift to the downside right here. We take puts, our stop outs right here, hits our target. We are 9-1 in 4 trading days. If you focus on 2 winning trades a day, Thursday, you can be done. You have 9 winners and 1 loser at a 90% win rate. And we typically see about 80% across the board over the long haul. So at 90%, I told the team on Friday, we're probably going to accrue a loss or two. But we don't know what's going to happen. We could easily win them as well. So it all ties back into using proper risk management. But let's see how it plays out. Friday the 13th, we are 9-1. We got a put trade right here. Here was our entry. Here was our stop out above this zone. We get stopped out for a loser. We're 9-2. We take calls right here. On that candle, our stop out was down here. It did not hit our 1-to-1. It did go in our favor about 25 cents. You could have taken profit, but it did not hit the 1-to-1. So we're counted as a loser, 9-2. Then we get a momentum shift to the downside. We take puts right here, stop outs right there, fell into our lap. We're 9-2. We're now 10-2 for the week. Then we get a momentum shift to the upside. Here, we take our entry there, and we have a stop out right here. And this trade we talked about was a little bit uniquely different. We put a stop right here, but you see these wicks, we definitely know that there's a zone right here. And without even knowing what was going to happen, look what happened. You take your calls here. We're still 10-2 on the week. Went down, came right back to this zone, and then bounced and ended up giving you a winner of about right here, about right there. And if you use this single line right there, you got stopped out for a loss. Depending on how you manage that. I believe I put the line right here, but we talked about there's potentially a zone there. So I know a lot of people held this trade because it did not violate the zone. So we are 10-2 with this trade right there. Went on to be a winner. Then we get a momentum shift to the downside, and we don't get nothing with that trade. It would actually give us be 11-2 for the week. And then we get another momentum shift to the upside. We take our first blue arrow. We took our call entry here. Here was our stop out. We know that there was a zone here. Once again, look what happened. Revisited this zone and ended up going on and hitting our 1-to-1 over here. Put us on the week. What was that? I totally lost my thought, my train. We are 9-1 here. We lost this one. We lost this trade right here. 9-2. We lost this trade. 9-3. We're 10-3. Then we get this trade right there, 10-3, 11-3, and then we got this winning trade right here, 12-3. So we're 12 winners and 3 losers. And even if you took a loss on this trade and you use this as your line in the sand and didn't really play that zone, we'll remove that line. So you could have been 12-3 or 11-4. Either or, you're still net profitable for the week. And check it out. 11 divided by 15, which is 11-4, 73% win rate, which is less than our typical 80% average, but more importantly, it's still a profitable week. And if you took a winner on that trade, you would have got 12 winners divided by 15, because we took 15 trades this week, put us right in line at our 80%. What's the odds, guys? Trading is that easy with the plan. So even if you took a loss on that trade and you only won 73% of your trades, right here, about 74%, you're still net profitable. And I don't know about you, but my goal as an individual trader is not necessarily to be take a win or a loss as each individual day, but at the end of the week, if I'm green and I'm able to extract money, that's my personal goal as a trader. So another green week in the books using our day trading custom system. We shared this system live in our chat room. So if you're interested in seeing these signals play out in live market, sign up below. We look forward to hearing from you guys. If you guys have any comments, concerns, or questions, please reach out. Let us know. We'll get it squared away as quickly as possible. We thank you for your time. And we're just here to show you that trading with a plan, using proper risk management and consistency, It's very easy, and you have a high probability to finish the week green trading with our system. I'm not here to tell you that we have the best system out there, but we do have a profitable system. It's a great tool to add to your tool bag if you like to day trade like we do from 9:30 to 12 East Coast time. That's just what we do daily. So if you like what we do, reach out, join the team. We look forward to working with you guys in the future, and we can show you a couple other tools that we have that gets us into the trade that works a lot more times than not. You know, we do not win every trade, but more times than not, we're on the correct side of expansion, and that's just what we do here at Beast Mode Trading. Thank you for your time, and if you have anything, reach out. Appreciate you guys. Have a blessed day. Beast Mode out.